Hospet MLA H.R. Gaviappa staged a sudden protest at Anantashayanagudi village in Vijayanagar district, condemning the delay in railway overbridge construction work and the alleged negligence of the railway department. The MLA, along with the members of public, blocked railway movement by preventing the gate from being operated and continued the protest for over an hour. The MLA alleged that the delay in the flyover work has been causing severe inconvenience to residents of the area for the past 4 years. He stated that the issue is affecting not only his constituency but also tourists visiting Hampi from across India and abroad. He further said that the delay is creating serious difficulties for emergency medical services, including transporting pregnant women to hospitals, and claimed that it has led to hardship and suffering in the region. As the protest continued, officials from the Hubli Railway Division, along with the Tahsildar, Municipal Commissioner and police personnel arrived at the spot. However, railway officials initially did not yield during the protest. Later, railway officials assured that the overbridge work would be completed within 1 month. Following this assurance, MLA Gaviappa withdrew his protest. However, he warned officials and contractors that if the work is not completed within the stipulated time, the agitation would be resumed and continued further. So viewers, do you think infrastructure projects should be completed within a fixed deadline to avoid public inconvenience? Let us know in the comment section for more such updates. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.